Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my top 2 air fryers picks with you. We'll dive into what makes each one stand out. And hey, don't forget to check the description for today's prices. Your kitchen upgrade might be just a click away. Let's get started. 1. Cosori Pro 2. This air fryer by Cosori has proven its worth to users over various contexts. Some were initially skeptical about the air fryer trend, but after giving the Cosori a chance, opinions shifted. The square-shaped two-piece basket accommodates 2 to 3 adult servings and has been lauded for its versatility in cooking items ranging from chicken wings to homemade donuts. The digital control panel, equipped with presets, provides convenience, though some noted that the increments of 10 for adjustments can be limiting. Users appreciate the robust customer service with quick resolutions for issues like a broken basket handle. The appliance's performance, especially in cooking vegetables, chicken, and frozen breaded foods, received praise. However, a few drawbacks were mentioned, such as noise levels, limitations in visibility, and occasional issues with the finish on the basket. The product's positive aspects include its premium feel, quick heating, easy cleaning, and the ability to handle various meals efficiently. It garnered recommendations from notable sources like chefs on YouTube, emphasizing its user-friendly nature. Despite some concerns like the handle's durability and occasional issues with the finish, the overall sentiment is favorable, with users expressing satisfaction and recommending the Cosori air fryer for its cooking prowess and ease of use. 2. Ninja AF101. The Ninja air fryer has proven to be a game changer for its users, delivering a delightful cooking experience. The compact size fits seamlessly into kitchens, making it an ideal choice for those who value space efficiency. The ceramic coating not only ensures easy cleanup, but also contributes to healthier cooking, as it eliminates the need for excessive oil. Users are raving about the speed of this fryer, with quick defrosting of frozen items and remarkably fast cooking times. The dehydrator feature adds versatility, and the included accessories like the crisper multi-layer rack and recipe book enhance its functionality. The forecourt capacity, though slightly smaller than some competitors, has proven sufficient for many users due to the rapid cooking capabilities. The positive reviews highlight the Ninja air fryer's ability to produce crispy and delicious results across various dishes, from wings to sweet potato fries, and even baked goods like chocolate cake and cinnamon rolls. Its ease of use, minimal noise, and straightforward cleaning process make it a hit among both seasoned cooks and those new to air frying technology. While some users mention the lack of customizable heating options and the absence of certain features like a preheat function, the overall satisfaction with the Ninja air fryer shines through. Whether it's the enticing aroma of homemade cinnamon rolls or the convenience of quick and mess-free fried chicken, this appliance has garnered enthusiastic praise for its performance and reliability. Thanks for tuning in to discover my top 2 air fryers. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game, check out the product links in the description below. Don't miss out on these kitchen essentials. Click, explore, and let the crispy goodness begin. #AirFryerMagic #Cooking in Style.